What if we told you a gin martini had a sophisticated, almost saintly cousin?
Bring, bring. St-Germain's calling.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
So today, we're making a St-Germain gin martini.
Or an Elderflower Martini.
And we're making this... I lost what I was going to say. We're a little late with this video because we actually drank this in our Brews Anime Reviews episode of Subtle Leveling.
So, if you check the link above my head, check out what we were talking about in that video. So let's get started with today's Saintly Martini. So for today's martini, you're going to need 4 simple ingredients. 1, your favorite gin. 2, St-Germain. 3, lime juice. And 4, dry vermouth. Let's get started with the drink. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to get your glasses for your martinis and you're going to ice them down so it cools them off a little bit. You don't want too much ice into your martini because it's going to dilute it and we want the flavor to shine through. But you can cool off the glasses. Put those to the side for now. Grab your shaker and grab your gin. Today, we're going with a new gin that we just picked up, which is Condesa Gin, hecho en Mexico. It's, seems interesting. What's hecho?
Made.
Oh.
Made in Mexico. So this is actually made in Mexico City, if I'm not mistaken, if I read the bottle correctly. But you're going to use 1 ounce of your gin. It doesn't have to be this specifically. You can use any favorite gin that you want.
But this is the gin we're using today.
Word. Grab your St-Germain. We're going to do 1 ounce of this. Now, let's not forget, I'm making drinks for 2 of us. So when you do it for yourself, it's only going to be 1 ounce.
Yeah, we recently found a new love for St-Germain.
It was a sleeper. I was looking at it before and I was like, this doesn't do anything for me, but let's give it a try. I was wrong. I was completely wrong. St-Germain is the shizzle.
My nizzle.
Grab yourself your Sweet Vermouth. You're going to do 1/2 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. Because it's for me and Kareem, I'm going to do 1 full ounce.
Bottle of sour grapes.
Oh, yeah, because this is just like pretty much wine, right?
Yeah.
And last but not least, you're going to grab your lime juice. And this is going to be 1/2 ounce also. I'm going to do a full ounce for Kareem and myself. So now, I'm going to take the ice we used to cool down the glasses, pour them into the shaker, and just spill my eyeballs.
Splish splash.
You can tell we're very professional here. You didn't see that part.
Joe's going to clean that later.
Oh, lock it up and shake it.
Now, would this be a candidate for double straining?
Yes, we are going to double strain it because I did put a lot of ice in there. So some ice chips might have fallen out in there when I was shaking it. So we're going to double strain this bad boy. Let me look for the strainer. So we got our strainer. Now this shaker, if I can get it open, has its own built-in little strainer on the top. But we're going to double strain it so that we collect all the ice chips and we don't dilute our drink too much. Pour a little bit in each cup for me and the Reamster. They gave Kareem a little more, but that's all right. And here we have our St-Germain martinis. Let's try them out. Let's try out our St-Germain martinis.
Okay.
So, first thing I noticed is the color. Nothing too impressive.
Yeah.
You know, it kind of looks like a dullish kind of green color. So right off the bat, I mean, I'm not really impressed with the way it looks.
Right now, it looks like a lemonade.
It does. It does look like a lemonade. You're right. Sniff test. Citrus forward.
Yes.
I smell like... I think I smell the lime juice that stands out a little more.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. And let's try out our Elderflower Martinis.
Cheers.
Okay.
Okay.
This, I'd have to try it out again. It's not a very alcohol forward drink.
No, not at all.
Doesn't give you the shakes.
Very deceptive.
Yes. It tastes refreshing. Like on a hot summer day, you could probably sip this up, right? And you know what? The flavors aren't really that strong.
You get hints of the elderflower with a subtle citrus on top.
Like, I wouldn't have this as my everyday go-to drink.
No.
But if you're on a date,
yeah,
and your date likes martinis, you want to elevate it a little more to impress your date, this is the drink right here.
Definitely. Sitting at the bar, drinking a martini, having some appetizers, definitely go together.
Ooh, what dish would you pair with this as like a main meal? A fish or a steak?
I would say this would go well with maybe an appetizer.
Only an app.
Well, or if you have like maybe like a Parmesan crusted salmon.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Because you don't want, because this is kind of on the sweet side. I don't think that would go well with a steak.
Okay, see, I would have said something with like a risotto and maybe some type of fish. But risottos can be heavy and thick.
Yeah.
So because of that, this is lighter. So that's why I kind of think like maybe the two would go together.
Well, I was thinking more of this would something you would drink with maybe your appetizer, maybe like a salad or your aperitif.
Like a tapas.
Maybe. Or a ceviche.
Ooh, ceviche. Yeah, I can see that with the ceviche. Brew Broz scale, 1 to 5, Kareem. What are you giving the Elderflower Martini?
I'm going to give this a 3.7.
3.7. I was going to do a drum roll, but I just said it. 3.7. Let us know if you agree with Kareem's score of 3.7. Write it down in the comments.
Also, check out our other channel, Brew's Anime Reviews, where we go through animes that you might like. Also, I believe we filmed the episode with this cocktail.
We did. If you're a fan of solo leveling, we did an episode review of episode 5 with this exact cocktail. So make sure you check the channel out. The link is going to be down in the description below. If I can put it above Kareem's head, I will also.
Sorry, but wait. We're still on the road to 100. So we're only 37 subscribers away from 100. We have another video where we describe what we're going to do when we hit that 100.
Yes, we do. Make sure you check that out in our links, channels, somewhere. In the videos.
It's going to be linked somewhere.
Yes.
You know, when you see it. So, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And on that note, everybody.
Peace out, everybody.
Stay fly. Cheers. I feel fancy. Tag team back again. Check it to wreck it. Let's begin.
Party on, party people. They hear some noise.
3, 2, 1, 3. Level up. Level up. All right. So the link is probably pops up somewhere above my head.
Above Kareem.
So check it out. You see what we were talking about.
Baby. Ready. So let's get to dark.
All right. Hey, there you go. Yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. I'm a grown boy.
I'm a big boy. Isn't that like South Park Mom? Oh, he's a big boy. Ready?
No. You get hints
of phlegm. Let's do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, let us know if you agree with let us know if you get tongue twisted while you're speaking like I do.
All right. 3, 2, 1. How far are we away from 100?
Like this much. I don't know.
We're 37 away.
Is it? 63 plus 37 is 100? Yes. Yes. I don't math so well.
3, 2, 1. So we're 3. Math is not math.